Welcome to 625 Agate Crescent, Southeast, located in Calgary, Alberta. This house is boasts over 1,270 square feet above grade. Has been fully renovated with 5 bedrooms, 3 full washrooms, in-floor heating, entertainment suites, and this is just the start of it.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Mind if I take a look at the house? I saw the for sale sign.
Yeah, absolutely, come on in.
Sweet, let's do this.
What's your name?
Ram
Harmon.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, come on in.
Beautiful house. When was this built?
So this home was built in 1961, but is fully renovated to the T just recently as of 2022.
Wonderful, wonderful. Can you just show me some of the features? Like this living room is so spacious.
Absolutely. So this has been a custom porcelain tile that has been built in here. We have a custom entertainment unit as well. Engineered hardwood flooring, which is right underneath you, throughout the entire home. Vaulted ceilings that you'll see above you. We have 9 pot lights just here in the living room.
Beautiful. Let's go to the kitchen.
So who are you looking for the house for? You and the wife, you and your kids?
Yeah, me and my wife, we've been looking. We're getting married in May.
Yeah.
And you know, it's been tough because there's really nothing on the market, but this caught my eye.
But come take a look at this kitchen actually. Maybe hopefully you and your wife would love to kind of spend a lot of time in here. We got 5-foot islands, fit enough for 4 people. All Samsung appliances, top of the line range. And if you're entertaining for some more guests, like as you're mentioning for the outside, we have more than enough room as well here for your guests as well.
Absolutely. There's a little breakfast nook, but it's nice because if I'm cooking and entertaining my guests, we can all be watching the movie, game, whatever's going on. And I can still prepare and serve everything going over there.
Exactly. Coming down to the hallway, we have a full custom bathroom for the main floor for all your guests. So the best thing about this mirror is actually a defroster. So if in case you are taking a shower and you don't have this fan on, you can actually use this as a defroster. So now it's actually taking the air and going into the mirror.
Fantastic. That's actually awesome.
Absolutely. Come take a look at the bedrooms. You have any kids yet or no?
Not yet. We're getting married in May, so.
Awesome. So 1 bedroom here. We have full brand new windows up here, knockdown ceiling, 3-inch baseboards, and again engineered hardwood flooring down here. You're gonna head over to your 2nd bedroom right across the room here.
Okay.
Exact replica of what was across. This is our master bedroom. So why don't you take a hop on the bed? It's fit for a king.
Did it break?
The good thing about this room, this master bedroom, is actually there's 2 windows in here. You got a ton of natural light. Come check it out. We got a his and hers walk-in closet. Okay, so we got items you can put on this side and over here, custom shelving units as well for accessories, shoes, whatnot you'd like. So come on in here. Again, we got heated floors, quartz countertops, fully custom shelving as well. Let's head down to the basement on the right-hand side. So full maple railing. Again, separate entrance. That's gonna be going if you want to utilize that. Right behind you, we have a separate custom cabinet as well, in case people are gonna be hanging up their shoes, putting their shoes over there and hanging up their jackets. Heading downstairs, we'll still have engineered hardwood flooring that's been custom matched down here, and then your welcome by rug, okay? To your left-hand side, I'm going to show you over here is pretty much the master bedroom for the basement. If someone would like to utilize this as a gym or a bedroom, you're more than welcome to do so.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
And you know what? The area does allow for renters, and this is a renter community as well.
Yes,
so
exactly.
I'd probably put in a little bit of more work and maybe contract you to just separate the entrance completely.
Yeah, absolutely. The good thing is over here on the left-hand side, we have a custom cabinets done for the laundry room. Brand new appliances, Samsung appliances that have just been delivered, and you can utilize this space however you'd like, right?
And that's not being staged, that's included in the house?
This is included in the home.
Oh,
yes.
Fantastic. the other appliances?
All the appliances in the home are fully included.
Awesome. And you have LED accent lights for the bar.
That's correct. We have accent lights for the upstairs and also for the kitchen upstairs as well.
Beautiful sized living room, nice play area. You know, and in the summer when it's too hot, downstairs is always the best place to hang out.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, downstairs is mostly going to be the coolest place, right?
Yeah.
Over here, we mostly have a smaller room for a yoga studio. If you'd like to use it as an office, you're more than welcome to as well. And again, we have custom cabinets in there as well. I'm going to show you the bathroom here. Okay, very, very large. You'll never see a bathroom as large as this in Acadia.
I love it. This is beautiful. Can
Great.
you show me the thing that I love most about houses?
Absolutely. So
The mechanical room.
Mechanical room. I was just about to say that. So come take a look. This home has actually been fully customized to the maneuver of the furnace, which was the other way. A brand new humidifier, brand new tank, and tons of storage space as well. Okay. So if you have any extra items you need to place, you can actually place it in this home. Okay.
Thank you so much for the tour.
Absolutely.
Just a couple questions. What are you listing this house at?
We're going to be listing this home at $685,000.
And how soon can I put an offer?
As soon as you want.
Perfect.
Done deal.